Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. As you all know, we are here for a better future. So guys, in starting, let me tell you that this is going to be a premiered session. This is not a live session. So I won't be able to reply to your comments. But if you have any doubt during this session, so please drop it down in the comments box below so that I can check it and I can reply to that in the next session. So if you have any doubt, please drop it down in the comments box. Now let's start this session with some positive thoughts. Do not give your past the power to define your future. आपका past आपके future को define ना करे, उसको इतनी power मत दो. And this is Lakshya batch. This is class 12 accountancy batch. And if you guys are new to our channel Vedantu Commerce, or if you are watching me for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel so that you can watch more such live classes. Also, make sure that you hit the like button below and you share it along with your friends. So like, share and subscribe. And if you want to receive all our notes in PDF form, then for that you have to join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. So go and join it ASAP. Now, we will be continuing our second chapter and we will have a quick recap of this chapter. कि हमने इस chapter में क्या-क्या सीखा. So let's have a quick recap of this chapter now. And for this recap, it is important to watch all the previous session, because if any one of you have not watched the previous classes, then this recap is not going to help you. So please make sure that you have watched all the previous classes. If not, you can go to our channel and you can see recorded session. So first watch all the previous session and then only you can watch the recap. So I hope that all of you are excited for this recap and you all are ready. So guys, it's time to start this session and let's start it with the first topic, that is, what is partnership? In the first session, we have discussed in brief with example that what is partnership. I told you that there was a boyfriend and he wanted to do a business, but उसके पास पैसा नहीं था. So there was a boy, Mr. X, who wanted to do a business of cloth industry. He knew what to do, from where to start. He knew everything. But the only thing that was stopping him was capital. He did not have enough capital to set up that business. So what he did, he went to his girlfriend. वो अपनी girlfriend के पास गया, Miss Y के पास, not Mrs. He went to his girlfriend, Miss Y, and he explained all the plans to his girlfriend. So his girlfriend, she was a little rich. So she said that don't worry, I will provide you capital. I will provide you capital, but in return, I want equal share in profits. So she is ready to invest capital, but on a condition that she will get equal share in profit. So what is partnership? When the business is done together by two person. अब यहाँ पर ये business दोनों मिलकर करेंगे. जो भी decision लेना होगा दोनों मिलकर लेंगे. Whatever will be the profit or loss, they both will distribute it. So the whole business will be now managed by two person, or it can be more than 2 person, and that is known as partnership. So I'm not going to explain everything in deep right now because this is a recap guys. So therefore I have told you that please watch the previous sessions also. So what is partnership? Partnership क्या है? as I told you, it is a business relationship. It is a business relationship among two persons or more than two persons. Why this is a relation? Because they will share profits and losses of the business. Whatever are the profits, whatever are the losses, they will distribute it between them, and the business will be carried on by all the partners or any one of them acting for all. तो जो भी business है, this business, it will be either managed by all the partners together, or any one of the partner can manage the business acting on the behalf of other partner. So this is the meaning of partnership. Now we remember that there is Partnership Act in 1932. There is a particular act which governs partnership in India. So that act has also defined partnership. Indian Partnership Act 1932, it has also defined partnership as per section 4. So partnership is defined by Indian Partnership Act 1932, section 4 as follows. So the same definition is given by Partnership Act also. You can see it will be exactly same, nothing different. Partnership is the relation between person who have agreed to share profits of the business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. So this is the meaning of the partnership. जब दो लोग मिलकर बिजनेस करते हैं, वो ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम प्रॉफिट्स आपस में मिलकर बांटेंगे, उसी को क्या कहते हैं? पार्टनरशिप कहते हैं. Meaning done? Now, what are the features of partnership? Features क्या है partnership के? So as I have told you, there should be minimum 2 person. कम से कम दो लोग होने चाहिए, because if there is one person only, it will become sole proprietorship. So for partnership, there should be minimum 2 person, or it can be more than, but minimum at least should be 2 person. Then agreement. Partnership comes into existence by agreement. जब भी आप partnership start करते हो, whenever you enter into partnership, you have to make agreement. Now this agreement, it can be either oral or it can be a written agreement. Oral भी हो सकता है और written भी हो सकता है. Now if it is a written agreement, it is known as partnership deed. अगर आपने agreement written बनाया है तो उसको partnership deed बोलते हैं. So written agreement is also known as partnership deed. Then existence of business and profit motive, very important. If you are doing partnership, then it must be for business. For example, I and you, we are purchasing a property together. हम दोनों ने मिलकर एक प्रॉपर्टी साथ में खरीदी है. We cannot call it as partnership. If we are purchasing a property together, we cannot call it as partnership because there is no existence of business in that. In that you will be co-owners. अगर आपने मिलके property खरीदी है साथ में, तो आप co-owners कहलाए जाओगे. You cannot call yourself as partners because for that existence of business is a must, is compulsory. And the business should be for profit. If you are doing charity together, that is not partnership. अगर हम दोनों मिलके दान दक्षिणा कर रहे हैं, we are helping the needy people, we are helping the blind people, then that is also not partnership. Because partnership, it should be for business and it should be for profit earning motive. Okay? Next, sharing of profit. So in definition and meaning, we have discussed that the partnership, it is the relation between two or more persons who have decided to share the profit. So in partnership, partners will share profits in the agreed ratio. Partners profits को बांटेंगे, जो भी ratio predetermined है, they have decided the ratio earlier. So sharing of profit. And the last one is business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. या तो business सारे partners मिल के संभालेंगे या फिर कोई एक औरों के basis पे संभालेंगे. Business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. So these are the features of partnership which are similar to the definition. ये सब कहाँ से आए हैं? From the definition. Now features of partnership done. Coming to the partnership deed benefit, we can prepare the agreement. We can prepare the agreement either orally or written. And written agreement, it is known as partnership deed. Written agreement, it is known as partnership deed. Now, what are the benefits of this written agreement? What are the benefits of partnership deed? So, first benefit of partnership deed is it regulates the rights, duties and liabilities of each partner. If you have an agreement, if you have a written agreement, it will regulate the duties of the partner, the rights of the partner and the liabilities of each partner. Second benefit, it will help to avoid any misunderstanding. It will help to avoid any misunderstanding. For example, I am now confused that interest on capital, it was decided at 5% per annum or 10% per annum. I am confused कि interest on capital 5% decide हुआ था या 10% decide हुआ था. Now, if there was oral agreement, there will have misunderstanding. अगर oral agreement होता तो यहाँ पर misunderstanding होती. कोई पार्टनर बोलता 5%, कोई पार्टनर बोलता 10%, है ना? But now, if you have written agreement, you can clearly see that the rate will be written in that. If there is written agreement, we can see that the rate will be given in that. Whether it is 5% or 10%, it will be written in the deed. So, your deed, it avoids misunderstanding between partners. Also, if there are any conflict or disputes between partner, अगर partner के बीच में कोई लड़ाई हो जाती है, तो they can be settled easily as the partnership deed may be ready referred. अगर लड़ाई होती है, तब भी आप उन्हें दिखा सकते हो कि see, this was the agreement, this was decided between us. So these are the benefits of partnership deed. It regulates rights, duties and responsibilities of each partner. It avoids misunderstanding between partners. And if there is any dispute amongst partners, they can be easily settled by showing the partnership deed. You can show them, see, this was decided by us. So these are the benefits of partnership deed. Therefore, it is always preferred to have a written partnership deed signed by all the partners. तभी बोला जाता है, therefore it is always said that it is good to have a written agreement, because if you are having oral agreement, there are chances of fraud, there are chances of disputes and conflict in future. Future में लड़ाई झगड़े हो सकते हैं. But if you have written deed, they can be settled easily. These are the benefits of partnership deed. Now, what if the deed is not present? What if there is no partnership deed? If we have partnership deed, then we have to follow the rules that are written in the deed. अगर हमारे पास agreement है, तो हम वो rules follow करेंगे जो agreement में लिखे हुए हैं. If we have agreement, then we will do all the things according to the agreement. But what if there is no agreement, if there is no partnership deed? अगर पार्टनरशिप डीड नहीं है तो क्या होगा? So your Partnership Act 1932, it has specified some provision. Partnership Act 1932, it has specified some provision that will be applicable in the absence of partnership deed. तो हमारे पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 1932 ने इसका भी सॉल्यूशन निकाल रखा है कि अगर आपके पास डीड नहीं है, if you don't have your agreement with you, if you have not made any agreement, then these rules will be applicable. So first is profit sharing ratio. How the profits will be distributed if there is no deed, no agreement. So how it will be distributed, guys? कैसे बटेंगे profits? Equally, yes. So profit will be distributed equally irrespective of capital contribution. It does not matter that how much capital the partners have contributed. The profits will be distributed equally. Second, interest on capital. How much interest on capital will be allowed? No interest on capital will be allowed. Then interest on drawing. How much interest on drawing will be charged? So no interest on drawing is to be charged. Then salary or commission to the partner. How much salary, how much commission will be given to the partner? So no salary, no commission will be allowed to the partner. Not to be allowed. कोई salary, कोई commission नहीं देनी. And what about admission of a partner? If any partner is to be admitted, अगर कोई नया partner admit होना है, if any new partner is to be admitted, then we need the consent of all the partners for that. अगर कोई नए partner को admit करना है, for that you need the consent of all the partner, every single partner. And then we have interest on loan by a partner. How much interest on loan will be provided? So interest will be provided at 6% per annum. These are the 6 rules. The 5 are written on the screen and the 6th one will be admission of a partner, which will be only allowed with the consent of all the partners. So profit sharing ratio equal. No interest on capital, no salary, no commission will be allowed. Interest on drawings it will be not charged. And interest on loan, it will be provided at 6% per annum. So these are the rules applicable in the absence of partnership. Now coming on to the format of P&L appropriation account. And I hope you all are now pro in this because we have done this topic deeply and briefly, guys. हमने बहुत अच्छे से किया है ये topic. So what is the format of P&L appropriation account? This is your debit side. Just a minute. This is your debit side, left hand side. This is your credit side, right hand side. On the debit side, you will record all the, first of all, we will record profit. First of all, we will record profit by P&L account, net profit. After recording the profit, we will record all the expenses, all the appropriation on the debit side. To interest on capital, to salary, to commission, and if anything is transferred to reserve, that will be also recorded on the debit side. So profit on the credit side, all the expenses of the firm on the debit side. Interest on capital, salary, commission, transfer to reserve. Then interest on drawing on the credit side. Interest on drawing on the credit side. And after recording each and every item, we will find out the balancing figure, which will be profit. We will find out balancing figure, which will be profit, and you have to distribute it between partners in profit sharing ratio. तो तो ये जो प्रॉफिट आएगा ये पार्टनर्स में प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो में बट जाएगा. So this is our P&L appropriation account. We have already done questions of this topic. So if you want to do questions, you can go and check out our recorded session on the channel. So this was the format of P&L appropriation account. Now coming on to the next topic, which is interest on capital, So now, what is interest? Sorry, interest on drawing, not interest on capital. Now, as I have told you this also in briefly, so let's have a recap of this. What are the methods of calculating interest on drawing? So, interest on drawings are of two types. Drawings are sometimes irregular or they can be regular. Drawings are sometimes irregular, sometimes regular. Now, if the drawings are irregular, we have two methods for it. If the drawings are irregular, we have two methods for that. Simple method and product method. Simple method and product method. And if the drawings are regular, then we have only one method, average period method. So there are basically three methods for interest on drawing. Simple method and product method for irregular drawing, and then average period method for regular drawing. Now, what is the formula for simple method? Simple method means, what is the meaning first? In simple method, we have to calculate interest individually for each drawing. Simple method में हम हर drawing के लिए individually calculate करते हैं interest. So, what is simple method? So, what is simple method? Under this method, interest is calculated individually or separately on each amount of drawing. You calculate separately on each amount of drawing. And this is the formula. Amount of drawing multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by month divided by 12. So, amount of drawing multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by month divided by 12. We will calculate separately for each drawing, and then at last we will do total of the interest. So, this is simple method. Now, we have one alternative method for this. You can either use simple method or product method for irregular drawings. So, what is product method? Under this method, interest is calculated on total product. So, in the product method, we do not calculate separately for each drawing. We calculate it together. Product method में हम एक साथ ही interest calculate कर लेते हैं. And the formula is total product. The formula is, I hope that you all know that what do you mean by total product, what is this total product. If not, then please go and check out recorded session of interest on drawing. We have done this briefly with help of questions also. So the formula for product method is total product multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by 1 divided by 12. It is not month divided by 12. It is 1 divided by 12. So total product multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by 1 by 12. This is product method by which you can calculate the interest on drawing together. We are not required to keep calculated separately. हम एक साथ ही calculate कर सकते हैं with the help of this method. And then there is one more method when the drawings are regular. When you are withdrawing same amount at regular interval. आप हर महीने सेम पैसा निकाल रहे हो, आप हर क्वार्टर सेम पैसा निकाल रहे हो. So if you are withdrawing same amount regularly, then it is known as regular drawing. And the method used at that time is average period method. If the drawings are irregular, then we have to use average period method. And the formula for average period method is total amount of drawing multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by average period divided by 12. I am not taking month, I am taking average period. So total amount of drawing multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by average period divided by 12. Now, what is this average period? What is this average period? So, in every question, there will be different average period. If it is beginning of every month, if you are withdrawing in the beginning of every month, then average period will be 13 divided by 2, it will be 6.5. If you are withdrawing at the end of the every month, then the average period will be 5.5. If you are withdrawing in the middle of every month, then it will be 6. So average period, it is different in every situation. And for that, it is good if you will learn this table. So average period is this, and you can see that it is different in each case. So we have learned this table in the previous session also in interest on drawing, and now you can see that again. So this is the table. If you can learn this, this will help you a lot in the calculation of interest on drawing. So it is compulsory to learn this table, or if you know the formula, you can go for that also. I have explained you the formula in the previous session. So now I'm not going to explain the formula because it's little lengthy. If you want to see the formula that how we have calculated these average period, then please go and check out Interest on Drawing Part 2 recorded session, Part 2. So this is the table for average period. It's easy to learn it because if you will use the formula, it will be time consuming. If you want to save your time, then please learn it. It's easy than the formula. So, what's the formula for average period method? Total drawing multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by average period divided by 12. An average period, for that you have to learn this table. So, these are the three methods for calculation of interest on drawing. Simple method, product method, and average period method. Now we are done with interest on drawing. After that, our third topic is calculation of capital. Calculation of capital account. Now, capital, they are divided into two types in this chapter. We have read that capital, they are of two types. Sometimes the capital is fixed and sometimes the capital is fluctuating. Fixed capital means capital will remain same throughout the year. Fixed capital means capital will remain same throughout the year. And fluctuating capital means capital will keep on changing. Capital will keep changing throughout the year. Now, if the capitals are fixed, we have to prepare two accounts. We have to prepare capital account and we have to prepare current account. And if the capitals are fluctuating, then we have to prepare only one account, that is capital account. तो अगर कैपिटल फिक्स है तो आपको दो अकाउंट बनाने पड़ेंगे, कैपिटल अकाउंट और फिक्स्ड अकाउंट. लेकिन अगर कैपिटल फ्लक्चुएटिंग है तो हमें सिर्फ एक अकाउंट बनाना पड़ेगा, कैपिटल अकाउंट. Now, what is the format of fixed capital account? When the capitals are fixed, we have to prepare capital account. Now, how that capital account will be prepared? So, जब capital fixed होती है and we are preparing capital account, in that only 4 items are recorded. When the capitals are fixed and we are preparing capital account, so in that only 4 items are recorded. This is your capital account. First, you will record opening balance on the credit side. First, you will record opening balance on the credit side. Then, if there is any additional capital, if any additional capital is introduced, then it will be recorded on the credit side as by cash. By cash addition of capital. If any capital is withdrawn, then that will be recorded on the debit side as to cash. So third item, capital withdrawn to cash. And then this fourth item is the balancing figure. This fourth item is the balancing figure to balance carried down. This is closing balance. So when the capitals are fixed, only these 4 items will be recorded in capital account. On credit side, opening balance and additional capital. On debit side, drawing and closing capital. And then you will prepare current account. And all the other items that are not recorded in the capital account, they all will be recorded in current account. मैंने उस टाइम पर in the previous session मैंने आपको बताया था कि capital account ने सैलरी को, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल को, कमीशन को धक्के मार के निकाल दिया. कैपिटल अकाउंट ने इन सबको धक्के मार के निकाल दिया, इनको जगह नहीं दी. तो करंट अकाउंट ने बोला कि बच्चों कोई नहीं, यू कैन स्टे हियर. सो करंट अकाउंट ने इन सबको रखा. सो दीज आइटम्स दे कैन नॉट बी रिकॉर्डेड इन कैपिटल अकाउंट व्हेन कैपिटल्स आर फिक्स्ड. So these will be recorded in current account. So the format of current account is same. The format of current account is same. Particulars A, B, particulars A, B. Left hand side debit side, right hand side credit side. So first in the current account you will record by balance brought down. Now please focus that this by balance brought down, it is not opening capital. ये opening capital नहीं है, because that we have to record in capital account. Opening capital कहाँ record होती है? Capital account में. This is current account balances. This balance brought down, it is current account balance, which may be given in the question or which may not be given in the question. तो एक क्वेश्चन में हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. So in current account, you will first record current account balances if it is given. If it is not given, then leave it. Then you will record all the appropriations on the credit side that are given to the partner. जो चीजें हम पार्टनर को देते हैं वो क्रेडिट साइड रिकॉर्ड होती है. जो चीजें हम पार्टनर से लेते हैं वो डेबिट साइड रिकॉर्ड होती है. So item given to the partner are recorded on the credit side, and item taken from the partner, they are recorded on the debit side. So interest on capital, salary and commission, they will be recorded on the credit side. Also profit of P&L appropriation account will be recorded on the credit side because profit is given to the partner. Then drawings, interest on drawing and loss we take from the partner, so it will be recorded on the debit side. So drawings, interest on drawing and loss of P&L appropriation account, it will be recorded on the debit side. And after all, you will find out balancing figure, which will be closing balance. So this is current account. All the items are recorded here because capital account, in capital account we cannot record. तो जो आइटम हमने कैपिटल अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया वो सारी चीजें कहाँ जाएंगी, करंट अकाउंट में जाएंगी. So these are the fixed capital. We are preparing capital account and current account. Now the question arises, what if the capitals are fluctuating? What if the capitals are fluctuating? So if the capitals are fluctuating, then we will only prepare one account, capital account. अगर कैपिटल फ्लक्चुएटिंग है तो हम सिर्फ एक अकाउंट बनाएंगे, कैपिटल अकाउंट, एंड इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड करंट अकाउंट. अभी हमने किया कैपिटल एंड करंट, सो इफ वी मिक्स बोथ द अकाउंट वी विल गेट दिस कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो we have to prepare only one account when the capital are fluctuating. So all of the items will be recorded in this single account. Opening capital, additional capital, interest on capital, salary, commission, profit. Everything will be recorded on the credit side. Then on debit side, drawing, interest on drawing, loss, all the items that are taken from the partner, it will be recorded on debit side. So it is the combination of capital and current account both. So this is your capital account when the capitals are fluctuating, and at the end you will find out balancing figure here also. तो ये है हमारा capital account and current account जब capitals fixed है and fluctuating है. Sorry. Now we have revised whole of the chapter. अब हमने पूरा chapter revise कर लिया. So now we will do one question. Just a minute. Now we will do one question so that we can get a better understanding, because recap में question करना भी बनता है. So let's have a question. After that we will end it. So I have to go invisible, guys. Gaia mode on किया जाए. Here we have your question, and please be attentive, guys. So question is, A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. There are two partners, their ratio is 3:1. On 1st April 2017, their capitals were 50,000 and 30,000. Capitals given है. During the year ended, they earn a profit of 50,000. Profit is 50,000. The terms of partnership are, these are the terms of partnership. Interest on capital is allowed at 6% per annum. A will get commission at 2% on turnover. A will get commission of 2% on turnover. And turnover is given specifically 3 lakh. So 3 lakh ka 2%, it will be 6,000. B will get salary of 500 per month, and B will get commission of 5% on profit after deduction of all expenses including such commission. तो B को क्या मिलेगी, commission मिलेगी of 5% on profit after deduction of all expenses including such commission. Now let's start this question. Your net profit is given 50,000. So by net profit 50,000. Then we have to provide interest on capital at 6%. We have to provide interest on capital at 6%. A capital is 50,000. So 6% of 50,000 will be 3,000. B capital is 30,000. So 6% of 30,000 will be 1,800. So total interest on capital, it is 4,800. Total interest on capital, it is 4,800. Now we have to give salary to B. 500 per month. So 500 multiplied by 12, it is 6,000. It is 6,000. Then partner's commission. A commission was 2% of turnover. A commission was 2% of turnover. So 2% of 3 lakh. 2% of 3 lakh is 6,000. 2% of 3 lakh is 6,000. Now coming on to the main thing, that is B commission. B will get 5% commission on profit after deduction of all expenses, including such commission. So she will get commission after all expenses and after such commission. So you have to calculate profit. You have to calculate profit after all expenses. So what we will do, from profit we will subtract all these expenses. From 50,000 we will subtract all these expenses. So 50,000 minus 4,800 minus 6,000 minus 6,000. So 50,000 minus 4,800 minus 6,000 minus 6,000, it is 33,200. Profit after all expenses is 33,200. So now we will calculate commission on this amount, and it will be 5 upon 105 because it is after his commission. It is after such commission, uski commission ke baad. So 33,200 multiplied by 5 upon 105, it will be 1580.9. So round off, it will be 1581. It will be 1581. So first we have to calculate this profit after all expenses, and then we will find out the commission. So this is commission of B. Now we will finally calculate the divisible profit. अब हम लोग क्या calculate करेंगे? Divisible profit. So 50,000 minus all expenses. This is your divisible profit. ये आपका divisible profit है. This you will distribute between partner in their profit sharing ratio 3:1. So इसको हम 3:1 में बांट देंगे. A will get 23,714, 23,714, and B will get 7,905 rupees. So this is how profit will be distributed between A and B. Now, if you are required to prepare capital account, अगर हमें क्वेश्चन में कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाने को बोला जाए, what we will do? It's very simple. Interest on capital we will record on credit side, salary we will record on credit side, commission we will record on credit side, profit we will record on credit side. So let's prepare capital account. This is capital account. First you will record opening capital by balance brought down 50,000 and 30,000. Then you will record interest on capital, commission, salary and profit on the credit side. So this is interest on capital, this is commission, this is B's salary and this is profit. So we have recorded all these items on the credit side. Now in question there are partner drawing 8,000 and 6,000. In question there are partner drawing. So these drawings will be recorded on debit side. Two drawing 8,000 and 6,000. And it's all done. We have recorded each and every item. So find out the balancing figure. This is your closing capital. This is balancing figure. Do the total of credit side, subtract the debit side, and you will get the balancing figure. So this is your capital account question and your P&L appropriation account question. And I hope this is clear to all my students, because we have discussed similar question in the previous session also. So now guys, this was the quick recap of the chapter, and now it's all done. We have completed the chapter finally, and from Monday now we will start the new chapter, change in profit sharing ratio. So Monday से नया chapter start करेंगे. So now tell me, how was today's session, guys? How was today's session? I hope that it was good. It was awesome. I can't see your comments, but I hope that you all liked it. So now, if you want to have more such live session with me, if you want to attend more classes with me, then you all can join me on Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, because for all your learning needs, we have Pro Subscription. And in Pro Subscription, you will be getting exclusive live classes. You will be getting unlimited access to live classes. Also, all these subjects will be covered in detail in this Pro Subscription with the test and assignment. All the classes will be conducted in English, and you can learn live from India's best teachers. So 10 plus teachers will be provided to you, having more than 5 years of experience. So you will be learning from India's best teachers in their live classes. And we have a dual teacher mode for your live doubt solving. In every session there will be 2 teachers, one for teaching and one for taking your doubt. So we are providing this dual teacher mode for your personal attention for doubt solving. And the most important thing, you can learn from home in lockdown from any device. So don't worry for lockdown for COVID, because Vedantu is here with the Pro Subscription. For now, you can take 1 month Pro Subscription, so that if you are new to our platform, you can experience that how it works. The price for 1 month is 2,900. But right now we are providing flat 10% discount to all of you, after which you have to pay only 2,610. And you can also take our long-term course if you are aware of how Vedantu works. So you can directly take 12-month course, which is more beneficial in terms of cost. So the price for full-term course, it is 33,999. which is available at only 30,599 after discount. So guys, what are you waiting for? Our new batches, they have already started from 26th April. And if you don't want to miss more session of this batch, then please go and join quickly at 10% discount, for which you may use my promo code SCPRO. So go and use my code SCPRO to avail the Pro Subscription at flat 10% discount. And I would love to see you all in my class in Pro Subscription. And if you guys still not joined the Telegram group, अगर अभी तक आपने Telegram group join नहीं किया है, then please go and join it, because otherwise you will not receive notes. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe the channel so that you can watch the daily live classes on YouTube. So go and subscribe the channel. Also make sure that you hit the like button below and you subscribe it. So that's it for today. Now see you all on Monday. And the most important thing, we have a surprise plan for all of you guys. So soon we will be coming up with a very interesting thing for all of you. So stay tuned to our channel for that big surprise, guys. We have a big surprise plan for all of you. So stay tuned for that to our channel. And now see you all on Monday with the next session. Till then, take care of yourself and your family, guys. Stay safe, and thank you everyone for watching this session. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this out, and make sure that you like this video. Now, bye-bye.